Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofre me Adwoa Sechin. Ebusianfo Enkreya Ebe straight from the northern region to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Nakache. Notness ni bibuefu a omo akomo aduanya sempeto akrade a His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and afin so NDC amayoku no na edensem ena notness ni bi eka omo kire say it is about time His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oche eye ne backing dogs no etena se etu omofo say yenduru ena esese odem omo a onfa emo no munyedin because omo mpensem hu nsem bi abetodwa a ankoye amfa amomo nti ebe better say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama obeputi eye ne backing dogs no in order say ne be ya Ghana ye ne binya asomdwe because omo anu omo ho pass omo de NDC ebai na edenti na nordness bi ede ensem we abetodwa ni na ne say Accra Regional Minister Madam Linda ede ensem bi abetodwa o kire say eye nkranha municipal executives ni bi essence omo authorities intino omo microphone permit esisi dan esi baby a enses omo ede esi ye na ye be hu a nansen Accra demolition ekoso enu be hu so bi esi ni dan akakra bi na wa complete oh no omo abedwere gufem disheartening just amanfo enya pressure ewu na de ade ane no na Madam Linda etrese say nsem hu na ekoso no executives ni bi a omo otumi no omo edisa adwuma no nti sa de be de a wa ma omo punishment na punishment a ode ema eye Accra municipal executives ni bi ne say omo ko northern region wa ma omo transfer from Accra to northern region and the punishment a ode ema eye nkofo omo disa adwuma no na ensem we beto odwa no na northness ni bi se hene ha madam mana ubu yensen make a century ni entiense Madam Linda ede etodwa ne nsanso bra Ebusiafo ensemwe na Accra Regional Minister ede atudwa na comment na nordness comment ni di bebre na buy na this particular one na draw me attention am dey equity news na eda screen so no.
If you issue a permit to an illegal, knowing very well that the place is illegal, issue permit, you also face the law. Some of them has been transferred to the north. I mean, just to serve, I mean, as a kind of punishment for them, so that when they realize that what they did was wrong, and they bring them back to Accra or other places.
Ebusiafo ensemwe na Accra Regional Minister ede abetudwa na ensem we betudwa no na northness ni bi akomo adwinche so mo bu afu pa because ensem a Accra Regional Minister ede ebetudwa no indeed ensem hu very disrespect to the northness na amanfo aye video afa ho me kire northness ni bi na ansa na me de omo video ne bebro no pese me kakakra asem kakra kire se asem a Accra Regional Minister ekan no wa be pacho say a slip of tongue. That be Madam Linda, o share that na wakai. You see, 2024 elections na course wo Ghana ha no. NDC fo na bi mpanifo no omo no, omo tena se, no omo dream. Ekwanya 2024 omo fa so omo wini. How wa Ghana fo eji twi kwoto abama NDC, especially His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na. Omo te hwa omo hu Ghana fo se sebiwe ye mmoa.
Wasi honom no jata sebo kakadudu ne zebra no cobra ne elephant o mabu ho enti de bebo omum no muwura omuba no machi mu ba ko awe enti omo officers ombe issue permit ama obi wo kwan bone so kwan a enye illegal no ombetwe na so twe no omde ne ba betum bura mu hobi eyesirim na kakadudu na chi bia we asotwe na me se ate maame ye da se na me sure why you see I've been saying this yenya bi munya akwanya na adom bi dum omo a sebi nsem hunu kwa na omudidi ba we ni kunu na ye parliamentary candidate we no nya accident we as a 2016 one on wenya akwanya ko parliamentary to the cancel hunu why ma me ahuli cancel hunu yesire mu fo no ye fi ngurem mebwa ye ni minyansa na me I don't blame you. I blame my siblings. I blame my siblings na ye ka wo munti. Ye ka wo munti. Katabia na frɛ wo mani. Eno na ama wakwanya ma wudi sa wonsem hunu wi. Wo betwe officer aso a, wo transfer na kosirim na ye punishment. A punishment. Ceremony and shampoo ye na nkufom ye nam. Meboa. Draw so kra ye nya bi nhye. And from manify you must say yeah, left, right, center. You see, sometimes I don't even understand this and this is. Mo kasa se adwene se bibi na mutim. You know the funny part of this issue, when they are done with their discriminations, Mami Akwele and her people will come after the MPP party and they'll be like, the MPP doesn't like Muslims. The MPP are against Intafo. The MPP that, the MPP that, the MPP is for the accounts. Yate. You see how God is punishing you. So same way, so matter na dem no ma kan and I am Mami Akwela no ati free na no awa money brazier and no abeka no bedwam. Mami Akwele ne NDC for yate. Why if the stream if you wure. Awie menyu NDC ni bi. E ka chem so nsem huna ma me ni di. Munya hu hwe. Some mason tekasa. Some mason and tekasa. Ye yusuma mere no so ane asa be kan sem hunu. Ye ma mo hwe ni asa kan sem hunu. E de a che na bia be kan ye nyina. Lenda obenewa Mami Akwele she Osudoku MP ono anso na ye Greater Accra minister osisirim fo no ye firim wuram osisibo ne jata gu ho nti obi fuma o mo transfer oba wana sibo ne bia rewo nan kakra no mo rewo bombom kakra ma rewo breast kakra as punishment for you Mami yate why koswa wo de koso am sure abato mmere no so a mo fa nkyere ne makonko menua no mo beji o meto ama NDC kata bia ne de omunko nya ho why nyawo na waye o de wonya hwe yankopon na ekunu ntem ene wanya akonya ewura parliament house ho nti nsem hunu bi asabi diko why yesiremfo no ye hanetufo no Zainabu miemu na tum isifu ne Usman no mo Mohammed mo no yeda wasenya minsha why onkrofo no fomba monfo mo mra why Minyana masiremfo NDC for simu firi nwuram mento sabi omo se nantwie no pupu a ene yedi eku ka ye ka tuza afina ene yedidi omo dwonso a eno ne yednom yeti omo ye twa ye board ye na ye de mane omo a ne yedidua na twitwe yense nti omo de omo officers e ba ho for punishment ai Mami Akwele ne kan yo ena me so me ka bia ka ho me ka mama te ne ye bia na monte ai
because yenya moa anka there's no way Ghana for be sorry ebekwa akoto abade ama John Dramani Mahama because enyama His Excellency the former president now Don Akufo-Addo be yema Ghana na ye massive comparing to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama bro be president from 2012 to 2016 insem hu obedi dum so de ba ebe collapse ndum ebe ku amanfo Ghana na ye ni ambulance akwanyo omo ye ina na egu green book him de appear no so kakra bi chese insem hu NDC fo be ye omo si sagleme omo the budget call parliament house call gist kan omo ntimi anwie chese John Dramani Mahama be president ade ba ko ye ya significant ebetim de yensa appointing ene na ye kejetia market no na afen so circle Dubai ene penny ade a John Dramani Mahama be ye ya ebetim aka so ya ade a NDC for the bo mo asafo henia na senya ma John Dramani Mahama be ye during the time and His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Dubai no obeye na times 10,000 because Nana Addo besisi hospitals agenda 111 obesisi fishing harbor ebeye akwan beye factories the almighty free SHS by intend this for na kaso mo tena so no mo dwen ho de John Dramani Mahama beye Ghana for na campaign oye ni 2024 na NDC ni kon na still Ghana for koto abama NDC a NDC for no mo hu Ghana for ni bi se ye moa o enti say Madam Linda Accra Regional Minister etimi aka say one mo bi punishment and the punishment ni so onko Northern Regional Inya insult na notness for na denti na mumbuafu ensese mumbufu because mu notness into kwa esi wo munkrom ho no into kwa no chese I don't think that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na kasempo no omo awo so many years na into kwa no awo ho enso 2024 ya ba beto aba John Dramani Mahama e de boko na hiahi into kwa no eye campaign say eye former Vice President Dr. Bawumia, then Vice President, and also Shase, and also Sujegum. Which are not necessarily sent to Kwano. it has nothing to do with Dr. Bawumia. Mujina ho na John Dramani Mahama de campaign so ba be solve. Abra John Dramani Mahama obeye president o. Obeye president went me solve yamamo. Nso mujina ho eto aba maado. Inti NDC for wo hu say bi we bia mugu no mu sem fata na say mo de mo you come no near to yen akan ase hafo na say mojitu because NDC for no tena say mu hu just say not as mponya mo nko a we no ase mo ho no nto kwa sisi na mo ho desert na say ahokyere kakrenti na ebia o ka say punishment ne so mo nko northern region no but NDC for na ka so omu hu nyanga na fo say yemboa because yemboa nke yenkoto aba ma John Dramani Mahama into notness no ema mo mbumfu ai ema mo mbumfu because mo nto kwa wo dada kra no John Dramani Mahama de beye campaign wa beye president wentumi ansolve ya mama de beye campaign so bi no hyehyase whereby ya mo ni sense kwa na ba nyende into NDC for de mo bekoso agimi ya Ghana ha sa yenso se notness ema mo mbumfu ai ne NDC wo hu yen ya ne no